Hello, my beautiful YouTube family and new subscribers. How are ya? Ooh, I just felt like Jeffree Star there. Hi, how are ya? Okay, my name is Jeannie, and this is a channel where we do a lot of beauty-related content. Today, we're going to jump into my paid-for edition BoxyCharm base box for the month of February. So I already filmed my PR box in the beginning, earlier in the month, and then also my paid-for premium box, but now this is my paid for edition for the base box. So if you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, it's a monthly subscription box where you get beauty products, skincare, all of those beauty goodies sent right to your door. They have a 3-tier box system, a base box, a premium box, and a quarterly upgraded luxe option. But today we're talking about the base box. This now costs, I believe, $27.99, something like that. It did just recently go up from $25, but I definitely still think that it's worth it. This month we had the quarterly massive BoxyCharm sale. I have so many amazing goodies that I ordered, and I cannot wait to share them all with you when they get here. So if you want to get your BoxyCharm shop in and you're a BoxyCharm member, don't forget that that sale is going on right now as we speak. And also don't forget, if you're new, I actually have a giveaway going on right now. It is for this brand new Huda Beauty Retrograde eyeshadow palette. So I have my own, and then I got this one in my premium box, and this is up for grabs. So all you have to do is be subscribed here on the channel and then leave me a comment on the giveaway video, and that'll be linked in the description box below. So it's easy for you to find if you want to get your entry. You guys, I know that I am looking a little crazy. It has been an absolutely crazy couple weeks for me. I am switching to a new job and still doing my last 2 weeks at my other job. So I've been working 7 days a week, and my 1.5-year-old is teething molars. So she's up like every couple hours throughout the night. And I just, listen, my whole face is breaking out. I have dry, non-acne prone skin. Like I might get a zit here and there when it's like that time of the month, like a hormonal thing. But like I never get breakouts. The sides of my face are all broken out. My chin is all broken out. I know you can't see it real good right now because I used my best foundations and concealers for this video, but girl, it is there. And I am looking tired. I'm looking wiped out. I know it. I'm not looking myself, but it is what it is. Such is life. Let's jump into the box. So within the base box, you get to customize one item in here. And we also have a theme every single month. And for February, the theme was Be My Glamatine, which is, of course, very fitting for the month of February and Valentine's Day. I think the card is super cute. And then on the opposite end of the card, we have all of the products in our variation, a little bit of information about each one, and the retail price point of each one as well. So love that. And then, of course, like I said, you get to customize one item. The only time you don't get to customize is when you're getting the box in PR. But I did get the same choice item in my PR box that I chose for my paid for box. So the choice item is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. It retails for $32. I have the one right here that I got in my PR box. I actually really, really like this eye cream. It is super thick. It's almost like a balm. Like, I mean, look. It doesn't move unless you touch it kind of thing. So very, very thick. But as you can see, I have been using mine. I really love it. I wear it underneath makeup. Sometimes I wear it, do it at night for my skincare routine. But I really, really love an eye cream or eye balm that we got in the box a prior month called the Alginist, and that is definitely my go-to nighttime under eye cream. But I have been absolutely loving this, so I am not mad about having a backup in my collection, not at all. And next from OPV Beauty, I got the loose setting powder in translucent. It does retail for $22. It says that it is perfect for setting your foundation or wearing alone, whether you rely on setting powder to mattify, set, conceal, or diffuse. This formula acts as a finishing touch to bring your whole look together. Here's the thing, guys. I am super, super picky about my setting powders because I'm very, very dry skinned, and I'm also beginning to mature a little bit with some fine lines and that kind of thing. So I have like tried so many setting powders lately that I just were not for me. And then I feel like it's wasted because once I use it, I'm not going to put it into a giveaway for you guys because I used it. I mean, I just wouldn't do that. So I don't know if I'm even going to jump into this one. I have my favorites when it comes to setting powders, and I think it's going to be pretty hard for me to sway away. Like, I love my Fenty Beauty. I love the Bella Pierre. I love the Becca Hydra Mist, and you know, a couple other ones that I like as well. But there's so many that I feel like they're just going to waste because I'm trying them once and then I don't like it. So I think I'm going to just keep this closed and add it into a future giveaway here on the channel. I would rather somebody have it that is going to get use out of it, actually enjoy it. Maybe somebody with oily skin, help to mattify their look. I am always trying to dewify my look. Like, I want dewiness because I'm dry as chalk. So yeah, I think I'm just going to hold on to that for a giveaway and give it to one of you in an upcoming giveaway very soon. Okay, next. I actually also received this in my PR box. It is the Alley-Oop Multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush that retails for $28. I did actually use this in the unboxing for the PR box that I received it in. And basically, here's what it is. You can see that I have definitely used it for contour, and I do like this part of the brush. It's a very soft. It could be used for an angle blush brush. It could be used for a soft contour. And then we have a sponge on the other side. And then you can unscrew each side. You have an all over, what is on my hand there? You have an all over shadow brush on this side. And then on the opposite side, you screw that off. And we have a liner brush. Now they don't come out. They are stuck in there. Here's the thing. I think it's a cute idea. I think that it's cool, and I really do like this side of it. However, like, thinking in like the whole grand scheme of things, I definitely prefer using a dampened sponge. I think that would be pretty cool, but like, I don't know that I would want to like stick this under the faucet. You know, I don't know. Trying to be honest here, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't think it's horrible. I think it's okay. And I do think that it's actually pretty damn cool for travel. Like, I'm actually probably getting ready. I'm getting ready to go to Hawaii in like a week. Woo woo. I cannot believe it. I'm so excited. But I probably will actually bring this with me on my trip because traveling with extra weight costs money these days. And going to Hawaii from the state of Michigan is a long flight with actually a couple layovers as well. So I'm going to try and pack as light as possible. So I do think that this will actually be very handy for that. But I just don't know if like on an everyday basis while I'm getting ready and doing my makeup, I'm going to want to sit and mess around with unscrewing shit and that kind of thing. So I think it's a cool concept. It's just like not my absolute favorite thing, if I'm being honest. So, well, we got another one. And since I have one, I might put this in an upcoming giveaway as well. And then from Clara's New York, this is a stimulating retinol facial serum. It retails for $24.99. Okay, well, I definitely love getting a good mix of makeup and skincare. And I don't even know if I've like heard of this brand. When I saw this getting unboxed in some other unboxings, and I thought people were saying Clarins. Like, you know, Clarins. I love me some Clarins. Like, you know, Clarins. But it's not. It's Clara's. So I'll be interested. I'll definitely look up online and look up some reviews. But either way, I do really like getting nice skincare. So I'll definitely give this a try. And then last but not least, I got the Bali Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub. Now, all of the unboxings that I saw that had this product were like, oh my God, it smells like a fresh pineapple. It smells so good. It retails for $23. It's a new launch. And I just ripped the whole package like a little kid on Christmas. But I'm actually, wow, that was like really, really loose on there. Oh, yeah. Yep, it literally smells like a fresh piece of fruit. That is what it looks like. Give you an idea of the texture of it. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. It smells so effing good. It smells like a literal fresh piece of pineapple. So, dry skin, dry lips, dry everything except for... I'm sorry, you guys. That was totally inappropriate. Let me take that back. But seriously, though. Okay. All joking aside, I have dry skin, so I'm very excited to have a new lip scrub, and it smells mighty delicious. So yeah, I guess this is going to be too long of a video. That is my BoxyCharm base box paid for edition for the month of February. I do really wish it was a box where we could sit and try out a bunch of products together and create a look together, but that's just not what I'm working with in this box. However, I do have a ton of exciting things coming. I got a ton of new PR, and I can't wait to try all these products out and share them with you. And I have 3 more giveaways that I already have here that are coming very soon. So definitely keep your eye out for my upcoming videos. Make sure you have your notification bell on because I have a lot of giveaway videos coming up very, very soon. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay beautiful, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.